Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cauliflower, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with cauliflower. So if you're looking for some ideas, some different ways to flavor cauliflower, hopefully this will help you out. On this list we have basil, bay leaf, capers, caraway seeds, cardamom, cayenne, chervil, chili pepper flakes, chili powder, cilantro, cinnamon, coriander, cumin, curry powder, curry spices, dill, fenugreek, garam masala, horseradish even, marjoram, mint, mustard, that's mustard seeds and mustard powder, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper, rosemary, saffron, sage, salt, savory, tarragon, thyme, and turmeric. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.